Hi friends, welcome to my channel Venus Tech Pulse. In the previous video, we have studied length function, index function and count function, these three functions. Now on today's video, we are going to learn manipulating element of list using append function. So we can use append function to add them at the end of the list. Suppose here is a list is equal to, just here is the list. I am going to append or add something into the list dot append a, that means in double inverted comma a means we are going to add a element inside list. Then list dot append double inverted comma capital B, we are going to append B element in list, in this list dot append double inverted comma C, that means we are going to append C. Print the list A B C, A B C, A B and C. Okay, to add all elements to list up to 100 which are divisible by 10. Suppose here is a list is equal list for I in range 101, that means it will run from 0 to 101. If I mod 10 is equal to 10 is equal to 0, that means if the value of I divided by 0 divided by remainder or modulus by 10, if it gets 0, then list dot append print the list. Okay, the list will be 10 20, I have written extra 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 and 100, because the range start from 0 to 100. Okay, 0 to 100, and these are the elements 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 and 100 are the elements that are modulus by 10, and in the remainder section we will get 0. Okay friends, now there is another function, insert function to insert item at specified position. Suppose here is a list n is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, n dot insert 1 comma 888, that means we are going to insert in the one position, the element will be 888. Okay, print n. So now the list will be printed and the output will be 1 comma 888. In the one position we have already inserted 888, 2 3 4 and 5. This is our previous list, this is our new list, this is the new list, because we are inserting, this is the inserting position and this is the inserting element, position inserting element. Okay, next, suppose n is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, n insert 10 70 777, n dot insert minus 10 999, print n. This is the Python program using list. This is the position, this is the inserting element, inserting position, inserting element. This is also an inserting position, inserting element, and this 999 will be stored in at first, because minus 10 is in at the beginning and plus 10 is at the end, and 777 is added. If now there is a note, if the specified index is greater than the maximum index, then element will be inserted at last position. If the specified index is greater than the max index, then the element will be inserted at last position. If the specified index is smaller than the main index, then the element will be inserted at the first position. This is the rule. Or Next our topic is difference between append and insert. Difference between append and insert. Okay, difference between append and insert. Append means in list, when we add any element, it will come in last, that is, it will be last element. Insert, in list we can insert any element in particular index number. Okay, particular index number. Okay friends, for today these functions we have read. Difference between first append, then insert, and append insert are done. We have done an append insert. In the next class or in the next video I will explain extend, remove function. Okay, so friends, please share my channel, subscribe my channel, and give lot of like. Okay, thank you for seeing my channel, and please comment also my channel that what are you going to need it in the next video or in the upcoming videos. And friends, one thing, if you want to get some C language programming video or Java programming video, please click on the I button link, and from where you will get all the links. Thank you.